In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-invoice in Zoho Books. We'll go through this process step by step, making sure that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident in creating your own e-invoices quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the Zoho Books sign-in page and click on the sign in button. For those of you who find it convenient, you also have the option to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on the Google button and choose the account you wish to use. Now, a quick tip here. If the page takes a bit longer to load, it might be due to your internet speed, so just sit tight and be patient during this time. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard. Now look towards the top of the screen and find the Sales tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Sales section where we can manage all sales related documents and activities. From here, select the Invoices option. This section allows you to view, manage and create invoices. To create a new e-invoice, locate and click on the New Invoice button. This button is generally easy to spot towards the top section of your screen once you're in the Invoices area. Clicking this will open up a blank invoice form for you to start working on. Now that we have our blank invoice, the first thing you'll want to do is select the customer you are billing. Click on the customer name field and choose the appropriate customer from your list. If you have a purchase order number related to this invoice, make sure to enter it in the order number field. This helps in keeping things organized and referenced correctly. Next, enter the invoice date. This is crucial as it dictates the timeline for payment and any terms attached to the transaction. Speaking of terms, right below the invoice date, you'll find a terms field. Click on it and choose the payment terms you've agreed upon with your customer. It could be immediate, 30 days, 60 days. Select what's applicable. As we move forward, it's time to detail what you're billing for. Go down to the item details section and fill in the necessary details about the products or services you're invoicing your customer for. Make sure you're as detailed as possible here to avoid any confusion for your recipient. Finally, after you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, it's time to send it out. Look towards the bottom of your invoice and find the Save and Send button. Click on this and your invoice will be securely sent to your customer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created an e-invoice using Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.